Welcome to this complete London, England guide, a city of rich history, vibrant culture and undeniable charm. This magnificent metropolis, teeming with iconic landmarks and hidden gems, is a treasure trove for the curious explorer. Today we embark on a journey of discovery, highlighting the top 10 must-visit spots in this city of dreams. From the regal Buckingham Palace to the bustling West End, we'll uncover the magic that makes London, well, London. So without further ado, let's dive into our first destination. First on our list is the iconic Buckingham Palace. Steeped in history, this grand edifice has been the official London residence of the UK's sovereign since 1837. Today, it's the administrative headquarters of the reigning monarch, Queen Elizabeth II. Buckingham Palace is not just about royal splendor and regal ceremonies, it's also about the essential role it plays in national celebrations and crises. The palace's balcony, for instance, has witnessed many historical events, from royal weddings to VE Day celebrations, making it a symbol of continuity and stability in a rapidly changing world. When you visit, you can expect to admire the palace's elegant facade, witness the famous changing of the guards, and maybe even catch a glimpse of a royal or two. In the summer, you can explore the lavishly furnished staterooms, a truly magnificent spectacle. In the end, one thing is clear. A visit to London isn't complete without seeing the Royal Buckingham Palace. Second on our list is the world-renowned British Museum, an architectural marvel in its own right. This museum houses some of the most significant artifacts from human history, from the Rosetta Stone that helped decipher ancient Egyptian hieroglyphs to the Elgin marbles that once adorned the Parthenon in Athens. Each exhibit tells a captivating story. The British Museum is not just a building filled with old stuff. It's a treasure trove of our shared human legacy. Walking through its vast halls, you'll find yourself embarked on a journey through time, tracing the footsteps of civilizations long past. The museum's collection spans over 2 million years of history, covering over 7 million artifacts. Imagine all of human existence condensed into one building, and the best part, it's absolutely free to enter. So, whether you're a history buff or a casual visitor, there's something for everyone. The British Museum, where history comes alive. Next, we have the historic Tower of London. This majestic fortress has stood sentinel over the city for nearly 1,000 years, its imposing walls concealing a trove of secrets. Built by William the Conqueror in the 11th century, it's been a royal palace, a prison, and even a menagerie. But perhaps the tower's most glimmering attraction is the crown jewels. Imagine the sparkle of more than 23,000 gemstones, including the world's largest clear-cut diamond, the Star of Africa. It's a dazzling spectacle that has entranced visitors for centuries. The tower isn't just about the past, though. It's a place where history continues to be made. It's where the Royal Mint once produced the nation's coins and where ravens are still kept, due to an ancient prophecy that if they ever leave, the kingdom will fall. The Tower of London, a place where history, culture and mystery intertwine. Moving on to the symbol of London, Big Ben and the Houses of Parliament. A sight to behold, these iconic structures stand as a testament to the architectural prowess of the 19th century. The stately Gothic revival style of the Houses of Parliament, with its intricate stone lacework and soaring spires, beautifully complements the robustness of Big Ben, the world's most famous clock tower. These buildings are not just aesthetic marvels, they bear the weight of the United Kingdom's rich history. Big Ben, named after Sir Benjamin Hall, has been keeping time since 1859, witnessing the ebb and flow of the world from its lofty height. The Houses of Parliament, home to the UK's legislative bodies, have been the stage for significant political decisions that have shaped the course of the nation and the world. From architectural beauty to historical significance, these structures encapsulate the essence of London. Big Ben and the Houses of Parliament, the heartbeat of London. Next, we have the breathtaking London Eye. This colossal Ferris wheel is more than just a ride. It's a unique experience that takes you on a panoramic journey across London's stunning skyline. Marvel as the city's iconic landmarks unfurl beneath you, from the historic Houses of Parliament to the towering Shard. As you ascend in one of the 32 capsules, each representing London's boroughs, you'll feel as if you're rising above the hustle and bustle of the city, entering a tranquil world where time seems to stand still. At its peak, the eye offers you an unbeatable bird's-eye view, a remarkable vista that stretches up to 40 kilometers on a clear day. The London Eye is not just a popular tourist attraction, it's a significant part of London's skyline, a modern symbol of the city that stands tall and proud on the south bank of the River Thames. The London Eye, where London's beauty unfolds before your eyes. For the art lovers, we have the Tate Modern. This isn't just your average art museum, it's a powerhouse of modern and contemporary art, housed in a former power station that's as much a work of art as the collections it holds. From Picasso to Warhol, you'll come face to face with masterpieces from the greatest artists of the 20th and 21st centuries. The gallery's expansive collection includes works from all over the globe, reflecting the diverse and dynamic nature of modern art. The Tate Modern isn't just about the art on the walls, though. It's also home to exciting temporary exhibits that change throughout the year, making every visit a unique experience. And then there's the building itself. With its industrial charm and bold architectural design, it's a testament to the power of transformation. So whether you're a seasoned art aficionado or a curious novice, there's something for everyone. The Tate Modern, where art and architecture blend perfectly. Next on our list is the fascinating Natural History Museum. This grand Victorian-era building is a treasure trove of the world's most intriguing natural wonders. Stepping inside, you're greeted by a mesmerizing array of exhibits that span from the smallest insects to the towering dinosaurs. The museum's collection is vast, with over 80 million items that explore the rich tapestry of life on Earth. It's a place where you can marvel at the beauty of the blue whale model suspended from the ceiling, or puzzle over the intricacies of the human genome. Each hall tells a different story, from the Earth's violent volcanic past to the delicate ecosystems of our present and even the uncertain future of our planet. The museum is not just a place to observe, but also to learn and engage with the world around us. The Natural History Museum, where nature's history is beautifully preserved. Coming up next is the towering Shard. This impressive structure, soaring into the London sky, is a testament to the city's ever-evolving architecture. Designed by the renowned architect Renzo Piano, the Shard's crystalline form is a marvel to behold. Delving into its heart, we find a vertical city housing offices, restaurants, a five-star hotel, and residential apartments. But the true charm of this architectural marvel lies at its summit. The view from the top is nothing short of breathtaking. As you ascend to the viewing gallery, London unfurls beneath you like a beautiful, sprawling tapestry. Iconic landmarks dot the landscape, their familiar forms dwarfed by the Shard's staggering height. The Shard is not just a building, it's a symbol, a testament to London's forward-thinking spirit. It stands tall and proud, a shimmering emblem of progress that punctuates the historical cityscape. The Shard, London's beacon of modernity, is an unmissable stop on any London itinerary. The Shard, London's beacon of modernity. Next, we take you to the vibrant Covent Garden, a place that truly embodies the spirit of London, where every corner is bustling with energy and excitement. Here you'll find a delightful mix of high-end boutiques, artisan shops and quirky stalls, all nestled within the historic market building. It's a shopping paradise that offers something for everyone. But Covent Garden is not just about shopping, it's also a gastronomic hub where you can indulge in a variety of culinary delights. From quaint cafes serving traditional British afternoon tea to trendy restaurants offering a global gastronomic journey, the choices are endless. And let's not forget the entertainment. Covent Garden is famous for its street performers. Whether it's musicians, magicians or mimes, there's always something to keep you entertained as you stroll along the cobblestone streets. Covent Garden, where London's vibrancy comes alive. Finally, we bring you to the heart of London's entertainment district, the West End. Known as London's Broadway, the West End is a vibrant hub of culture and entertainment. Here you'll find a myriad of theatres, each with their unique charm, hosting a variety of shows from musicals, classic plays to innovative new performances. The West End is home to some of the world's most renowned theatres, like the Apollo, the Lyceum and the Savoy. Each night, these historic venues are filled with the sounds of applause, laughter, and awestruck silence as audiences are captivated by the magic of live performance. Whether it's the timeless classics like Les Miserables or Phantom of the Opera, or the modern hits like Hamilton, there's always a show for every taste. But it's not just the shows that make the West End special. It's the experience, the anticipation as the lights dim, the collective gasp at the dramatic twists and the standing ovations. The West End, where the magic of theatre comes to life. And that wraps up our top 10 places to visit in London. We've explored the regal Buckingham Palace, the treasure-filled British Museum, the historic Tower of London, the iconic Big Ben and Houses of Parliament, the breathtaking London Eye, the innovative Tate Modern, the informative Natural History Museum, the towering Shard, the charming Covent Garden, and the lively West End. Each place is a unique chapter in London's story. Thank you for joining us, and we hope you enjoy your visit to London, England.